Hello everyone, I am Dr. N.K. Dhapekar, working as Head of the Department of Civil Engineering, Kalinga University, Naya Raipur, Chhattisgarh. We have launched one new module for 45 days internship program, which primarily based upon surveying, estimation and budgeting, and central instrumentation facility. In surveying, our main focus is on total station. Leveling operations, traversing will be covered using total station. Apart from that, use of dumpy level, theodolite, plane table traversing will also be covered in this. At last, interns will prepare detailed project report. Basically, in surveying, we are going to cover everything such as calculation of horizontal angles, calculation of vertical angles, how to calculate the height of the building or tower using total station, open and close traversing using compass. So everything will be covered, and on live project, finally students or interns will prepare the detailed project report. In second module, we are covering estimation, budgeting and project planning. Our students or interns will take training and they will work on live projects under the guidance of industry experts and consultants. In this estimation, budgeting, project planning, they will be taught. Apart from that, mixed design as per IS 10262. Students will go for that, and softwares will also be provided, tools will also be provided to them. At last, in module 3, we are focusing on our central instrumentation facility, in which students will get exposure, demonstration, hands-on training on advanced instruments such as X-ray diffractometer, scanning electron microscope, high-performance liquid chromatography, digital viscometer, spectrophotometer, and so on. So overall, this 45 days internship program will be helpful to students of diploma, BTech, MTech. Apart from that, working professionals, site engineers, project managers can also take benefit of this program. And in this program, we are going to offer the placement assistance also after the successful completion of this 45 days internship program. Apart from this, we will be providing our interns some softwares and tools which will be beneficial for them to act as consultant or work on live industry projects. So, it's my humble urge to all of you that please join this program and open the gates of opportunities in your future career. Thank you very much. Thank you.